Hello, and welcome to another Struggle Bus with Celia, and the first installment of a new series dedicated to the fun-loving spirit of Jill Kirwin. This series is called Cork Crafts for Jill, and in it I will be crafting with wine corks. Jill loved a good bottle of wine, or glass of wine. She loved sharing a good bottle of wine. So I thought that this would be especially fitting. In each installment, I will also be highlighting an organization dedicated to research or treatment of different conditions and diseases, which I think is a worthy cause to donate to. I have been collecting corks for years, and so is my mother, and we have pooled together these into this box, which is about this full. So there will be many crafts to come. If you have any suggestions for crafts that you have tried or that you would like to see me try, please let me know, because again, I have more corks than I know what to do with. My first project is going to be dedicated specifically to Jill. I'm planning to paint on a wine cork canvas, so this is going to be a two-parter. The first in which I create the canvas, and the second in which I paint on it. I have already gone through and picked out all of the corks that I'm going to be using and laid them out to make sure that they were the right size and a consistent color, and kind of consistency of the cork was important to me. So I've already gone and separated those out, and first I'm going to be laying them out in the pattern in which I want to glue them, and then I will be hot gluing them together. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an overhead shot, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, and that is it for another Struggle Bus with Celia. This is my finished product for the canvas that I will be painting on. There's a little bit more glue than I would have liked, but I'm going to be painting over it, so hopefully that isn't going to be too much of an issue. I'm following a tutorial that's meant to be done on a flat canvas, so regardless, the texture of this is probably going to pose some type of challenge. We shall see. Thank you so much for joining me, especially on this first installment of Cork Crafts for Jill. I'm really excited for where this project can go. If you have the means and the inclination, please consider donating to multiple myeloma research at Mayo Clinic. I'm going to be linking that below. I know that Jill received some really amazing care there, and it means a lot to me and my family. Thank you so much for joining me today, and for any other videos that you decide to watch of mine. I hope you have an amazing whatever time of the day it is. Bye.